Malo lava soifua maua malangi mama talofa lava. Welcome to the Matavai Pacific Cultural Arts Studios. I'm Maryjane Mckibbin-Schwenke, co-director of the center. And you've probably stumbled across this video because you've seen Tangi Fatu, a song that was produced by Andrew Fale, an old Tia Ma'a song, an old favorite for many Samoans. And we have a dance that we've put together, so we thought we'd offer up our dancing for you to fill up your days. Matavai is now offering online Samoan SIVA classes and a variation of other Pacific courses as well. You can learn a little bit more about the islands through their dances. We also teach Samoan SIVA. You can learn about the language, the history, the culture, all through our cultural dance. Sign up for our classes at matavai.com.au. For those of you who have never done SIVA Samoa before, we have a how-to SIVA Samoa video on our YouTube channel. I suggest going and watching that first, having a look at the technique and trying it, and then coming back and trying this dance. Many Samoans around about my age, younger or older, would reminisce about Tia Ma'a. I remember my parents playing Tia Ma'a when we were living in Samoa, and the actual song conjures up so many wonderful memories of my childhood. The song also came in very handy when later we wrote a piece called Taupou, and the Samoan section in that show, which was performed in Aotearoa, was about the civil wars that took place in Samoa and was based on the letter written by Mata'afa. Mata'afa was a prominent chief in Samoa at that time, and he was calling out to the three great powers to go easy on Samoa, to help the Samoans. A lot of lives had been lost at that time. This song was also a song that I often played when my father was taken gravely ill, and it was on the last few days that he was here on earth with us. So it's very meaningful to me in that sense. It was also a time in my life when there were so many challenges and feeling like you keep trying and it's just never good enough. The advice you give and everything you do, you think it is from your heart, but perhaps it's not perceived that way by others. But there's so many other interpretations that you can take from this song. So the choreography that I'm about to show you is just the way that myself and my husband interpreted this music and the memories that we felt when we heard this song. We encourage and hope that you can find the love that we found for this song as well, and love to see your choreography that you put together. Send it in to Matavai. The email address is on our YouTube channel. But also learning this dance, something for you to do in these unprecedented times, and hopefully will serve as a memory for these challenges that we now face during this time in 2020. So let's get started. You would have already by now gone on to our other video and had a look at how a SIVA Samoa is performed. Remember, throughout this dance, you'll have to keep your knees bent a lot of the times, unless of course the action requires you to stand up straight. Posture is square shoulders. Even when you bend and the action is slightly forward, make sure your back is straight. The first action you're going to do is you're going to make a fist with your hand. So the left hand, put it here if you've got a waist. I used to have a waist, so I don't know where it is now, but put it here on your waist, and then you're going to bend, and this hand is going to scoop forward, almost just brushing over your right knee or right leg. As you're doing that, you're stepping on the left and then on the right, and turning your body into that action. This is just for the instrumental. Again, it's up to you how you want to go into the dance. So bending, you're gonna scoop, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on how long you want to do this movement. When you're stepping, make sure you flick your foot, your heel into your bottom. Try not to show the bottoms of your feet. And if you do my classes, you will learn why not to do that, showing the bottoms of your feet. So keep your foot tucked into your bottom. Let's try it again. Sawiya. Tasi, Lua, turning your body, Tolu, Fa, Lima, Ono. Side view, sucking my stomach in, and go. Tasi, Lua, Tolu, Fa, Lima, Ono. Good. That's your first movement. Now, starting with the lyrics of the song, Be se u'u manongi. So it's like a sweet smelling, or it's like the smell of oil. So when we think of oil, we in Samoa rub the oil on our arms. We also rub it in our heads. But this particular time, you're gonna rub and go drop down. So up, down, and then you're gonna take your right hand and you're gonna rub the oil on your left, keeping your hands moving, and then this comes in like this. Be se u'u manongi. Manongi means smell, scent. Sawia. Be se u'u manongi. Then you're gonna turn this way. O la'u talamoni means this is my truth. I'm telling my story is the truth. So you're gonna go up and down. So you're offering, for us when we interpret it, O la'u talamoni to us is our soul is speaking to. So that was where that action comes. We're humbly offering you our story. Let's try it again. Rubbing oil on your arms, using your legs too. Turning slightly to the right. The left comes over, down, and you're offering your story. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Be se u'u manongi o la'u talamoni. One more time. Be se u'u, bending your knees, o la'u talamoni. Keeping your shoulders still square, huh? Using your legs. So if you're not using your legs and you're not bending, that means you're gonna go like this and be hunched over. You are the pride and honor of the village, the women. So stand like that. The next movement you're going to do, Ola'u talamoni, uale mawhai. So it's saying, I couldn't resist. Uale mawhai. 1, 2, 3. Hands, top of your hands, bottom of your hands, hits. That becomes a fist. Your legs, your body still sort of facing this. Your feet are anyway. You're turning, leaning over a little bit, and you're going tas, lua, tolu. And then you're going to hit with the back of your hand, hit it away. Be se umanongi. Be se u'u manongi. O la'u talamoni. Ua le mawhai. Bang, bang, hit it away. I can't resist. I just can't resist because the scent is too strong. You're following this scent. You get that movement? So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits. This is where you're gonna set it. Bring this hand in. Pretend this is the scent that you're following. Tasi, lua. And then you're gonna pick it up with this right hand, and then you're gonna follow your right hand. Which can be like a metaphor for life. Sometimes the sweetest smelling things, the most beautiful things, aren't always the best things for you. So that's how I interpreted that part of the song. Let's try it. Go. Be se u'u manongi. O la'u talamoni. Ua le mawhai da da. Ma losi o le manongi. Following your hand. Say it. And make that hand movement graceful. Like you are personifying the way the scent would move on the air. So that's what your hands should be moving like. Let's try it with the music. Don't forget our lue. Our lue is that our interim part where you're coming into the dance. Stand up straight and bend. Fia fa'alongo longo means I want to listen, I want to hear. Fia fa'alongo longo, so to this hand's here, and it's moving like this. Okay? That's what. You're listening with the right, the left, and then both hands. Don't forget keeping your knees bent all the time. So, tasi, lua, tolu, fa. Eyes following your right. So, tasi, lua, tolu, fa. Fia, fa'alongo, longo. O le tangata poto. So I want to hear somebody with intelligence, smart. This next one is a fatu bati. It's a bit of a quick one. You're going to go da, 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 da. Let's just repeat that until you get the rhythm. Again. 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 Da. Okay? So you've gone. Yes. So you're going ba 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 ba. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, left shoulder, hand, knee, foot. Why did we do that action for that particular part? Se tangata poto in Samoa is someone who is atamai, someone who knows a lot. Yes, of course. We felt like a fataupati. It takes a lot of stamina, a lot of coordination. It's when we think of somebody that's intelligent, then we also think of somebody that is confident, and that's where this action came from, where you hit your foot. Like in Samoa, when you fataupati, it's that dynamic part of your siva where you show your pride and your coordination. So that's where the fataupati comes in. Let's try that again. Tasi lua, solu. Da, 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 da. It's quick. Let's go from fia fa'alongo longo. Fia fa'alongo longo. And then go. Ole tangata poto. Okay? Let's try it again. Fia fa'alongo longo. Ole tangata poto. The next part is uale mawhai, mawa, mawalunga leolo. Uale mawhai, pa, pa. You try, but it's just not happening for you. Let's go from le fataupati. In, down, hit, hit. Let's go again. In, squeeze a little bit, da, da. Then up, olo means precipice. So when you see a cliff or a mountain, they have little precipice, you're trying to grab the precipice, but you just can't do it. You slip away. So let's go. Fia fa'alongo longo, listen. Fia fa'alongo longo, fataupati. Ole tangata poto. Uale mawhai, uale mawhai, pa pa. Mawalunga leolo. Mawalunga meaning high. You're grasping, but it's too high. Try it again. Fia fa'alongo longo. Fia fa'alongo longo. O se tangata poto. Uale mawhai, da da, mawalunga leolo. Say it. And looking at your right. Let's go from the beginning with no music, very slowly. Be se u'u manongi. Sawia. Be se u'u manongi. O la'u talamoni, my true story. Uale mawhai, I can't resist the scent, the smell. Nice smell of whatever. Fia fa'alongo longo, fia fa'alongo longo. O le tangata poto. Uale mawhai, pa pa. Mawalunga leolo. From here, following this hand, you're doing a se'e, make sure it's graceful, and then sit back down on this one. 2, 3, 4. Up, down. Okay, let's try it with the music. Feel free to rewind, pause, go over the same movement. Let your hands just floating on the air. Feet together, go. You tap. So when you're standing on the spot in a siva, you have to tap your foot. It's something that you do in a siva. You tap, but don't tap and move your bottom. Just keep your foot tapping. Tap, 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 tap. Try that. Fale and go. Tap, 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 tap. Ba, 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 ba. You're not tapping on that part. It's just when you're doing fale. Next movement, so you're bringing it all the way down, and then the music slightly changes. It goes dun 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 dun. So you're gonna step on the right, lift up your ear, bend. 1, 2, 3, and pause. Okay? Da 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 da. Oh, here. Watch my feet again. Certain. Stepping on the right. Tasi lua tolu fa lima. Go 5. Do it again. Say. Sao. Tasi lua tolu fa lima. Ola whaingata means hard life. Try so hard. Woo. Ready? And you're tapping. So you've landed. O la whaingata. Hard. Tap. Okay, ready? So you're going, oh, la, whaingata. Keep your hands moving on that one. Then it's, this one is hitting your elbow and you're stepping. Oh, tasi, lua, tolu, fa. Oh. From here. Pause, tap, 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 hard. Elbow, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're not going down. Oh, la whaingata. Elbow. Oh, la le. Again. Hard life. Have a look from this angle what my hands are doing. 1, 2, and then you're to the front that way. So, tasi, lua, tolu, fa, lima, ono. I'll do it with the song, with the lyrics. O la whaingata. Elbow. O la lea. Ola leaunga means a waste of a life. So you're throwing a life away, okay? Ola whaingata. It's very hard sometimes. Ola leaunga. Looking down at the right hand. Samoan siva, you look at your hands when you dance. Most times. Okay, let's try that again. From your se'e here, go. Tasi. Lua. The music changes, you'll hear the change in the song. Stepping on the right, lifting up your ear a little bit. Tas, lua, tolu, fa, lima. Tap. Here. Whaingata. Ola leaunga. Up. Down. This is where my feet are too. Have a look at where my feet are when I'm, one is, so the top of my foot here, my right foot, is just at the back of the heel of my left foot. So like this, okay? There was a lot of emotion at that time, whatever it was we were going through at the time. So this one's like, oh, you know, you try so hard and things still hard, but it gets better. That's a promise. You're bringing attention to your hands. You're telling the story with your hands. Take some time to concentrate on how you want your hands to move. Again, so you've gone down. Your life is not useful, but everybody's life is useful. There's a purpose for everything. So you're gonna step with your right, and this hand's gonna come down like you're making a stand, okay? So you've gone down as low as you can go, but not all the way to the ground. And you're gonna stand up straight, shoulders here. Feel, and then you're going to turn on the right. Feel down. When you're going down, this hand's going to come here and the left hand's going to go over. And you're going to come to the front and you're going to throw it. Okay, ready? So you're going up and down, step. Feel down. It's on my fight. Go. Watch my feet. Step, step, turn, 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 here. To the right, lands to the front. Oh, la faingata. Ola. Oh, la lea. Stepping, feel it's on my fight. Feet down. It's on my fight. Step, throw. Ready, tap. Ola. Faingata. Back straight, elbow. Oh, le alma. Stepping on your right. Stop. Feel down. It's alma fight. Throw. Good work. Now the next part. There's two translations or interpretations of this next line. The way we went with was you're trying to find the right path. So which path do you take? Do you take this one? Do you take this one? Do you take this one, this one, this one? There's so many options in life. You just gotta find them. Here, throw, then you're gonna step. Your hand is here, other hand's down, and then you're gonna swap. Okay? We haven't done the feet yet. Your hand is here, here, then out to the side, then out to the other side, the right side, and then in front. Throw, stepping on the right, step, 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 turn. Feet, let's just do the feet. And turn, pivot on that side. Pivot, bang, bang, hands. Tasi, lua, tolu, fa, lima, ono. Cry. You're throwing this part. If you were telling a fire, you're gonna, which way do I take? Do I go this way? This way? Up here? This way? Or do I go that way? Or do I just go back? Clap. Then you're gonna turn your body all the way around so that it's facing the left. Your body's facing the left, but you're gonna set it to the front. Let's go from fia fa'alongolongo. Going back a little bit. Fia fa'alongolongo. Ole tangata poto. Ua whainga ta. Bang bang. Maulu'ulu leolo. Set it a little bit. Music changes. Step 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Foot down. And then out. Whainga ta. Tap. Elbow. O. La leo nga. Stomping. You try so hard. Feel. Turn. E taumat fai. Throw. Step on the right. Leala. Ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 hand movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good work. Let's go from the top with the music. Provided. Let's keep going with the chorus now. So now we're going to do Tagi fatu, meaning my heart is crying. I'm going to turn to the side, body straight this way, arms here. You're going to cry from your eye, and you're going to se'e, but bend your knees, come back up, se'e. So you're going to go Tagi fatu, ia Tagi fatu, turning. Umase manatu. So your right hand's going forward, back to your temple, all the way to this side, to the left side. Let's try it again. Tagi fatu. Tagi fatu. Umase manatu. Now we're gonna fatu pati. Ua ere. Clap here to the left. Shoulder, leg. Ready? Back, shoulder, leg. So it's gonna go back, shoulder, leg, back. Can you hear that? Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. So this goes back. Your feet, you're gonna go da, sit back on this one, and your hand comes out this way to the back. Ready? Tangi le fatu. Tangi le fatu. Uma, uma, se manatu. All the way to the second. Fatu, fatu. Ua, good. Strong. Stand up straight. You're not gonna talia'u. You're not taking my advice. You're not accepting me. My heart is crying. I've run out of ideas because you're not accepting me. Go, ready? Tangi le fatu. Uma se manatu. Ua le. Good. Talia'u. Talia is the part where you're not answering me, accepting me. So from here, you're gonna come forward, shoulder. You're gonna go here, leg, here, clap. Go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back to the front, shoulder, leg, hit. Da, 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 da. Ua, le, talia. Get it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back of your hand hits the leg. Ba. Dasilua tolu. Dasilua tolu. Ba, 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 ba. Shoulder, shoulder, leg, leg, clap, clap. And you're sitting. This is how it's gonna look. Da, 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 da. Up straight, sit. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. It's almost like you're in 4B. That's the part of the dance where I'm resigned to the fact that this is the way it is. But you get some sort of strength in the fatu, as you do sometimes in life. Sometimes you feel like, ugh, you know, that's it, it's hard, and then sometimes you get that energy and that strength back. That's this part of the song. So let's try that fatu again. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Sitting, nofo means sit. Tangi, again, cry. Nofo, ma, tangi. You're turning your face away. You know, sometimes when you cry, you want to hide your face. You don't want people to see it. That's the way this move is. Yeah. Talu le fia fesosoni. I want to help you because I want to help. Turn. Okay? Try that from tangi le fatu. Go. Tangi le fatu. Uma se manatu. Ua fatapati ua le. Talia u. Nofo ma tangi. Talu le fia. Fesosoani. I want to help. So I want to help. I want to lend some strength. Help up here. Okay? So your fist goes to the elbow. Then this is like a afa when they wind the afa in Samoa, the sinnet. You're winding it and then you're letting it go. Try tangi ai one more time. Tangi ai le fatu. Uma se manatu. Ua le. Tali ai. Nofo. Nofo matangi. Talu le fia. Fe soa soani. And ifo. Let's try it from the beginning of the verse. Planting your drink. And if you like, join us again for the second half.
Tele tu i o ma o